to apologize, because I haven't been active on here. But I promise to give you guys more content. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that would be great. I'm just gonna give y'all a little something of what I recorded. I wasn't really planning on posting or editing this at all, but I was just like, okay, let me just see what I'm gonna do. So it actually came out pretty good. She really didn't let me get to finish because she was already gonna get ready to go. Her ride was already waiting, and she is so like. But yeah, I'm finna just get into this video. So yeah.
fun fact about my sister, she is very impatient. I see where I get it from, but anyway, she was getting very tired and very, irritated or whatever of just sitting there because we was there for like a minute. But I think I did pretty good. She always let me, do her hair because she say I slays, but I think I did this pretty good. You can barely see the lace. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for me. I will be having more content for you guys very, 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 very soon. But yeah, it's your girl Lola B. You already know. And just enjoy the rest of these last couple of seconds.